hands would just stand out, just swole, so couldn't shut them up. Sometimes spoons, glasses, I'd drop them and break them, and that wasn't me, because my hands was numb, you know, just like it was sleep all the time. And when I got that medicine, I knew it was nothing but a God to let me hear it on radio. Right. I know it was him that let me hear it so I could get well.
I had arthritis in my hand, my wrist, my fingers. Since I've been taking the product, within 2 months, the pain was gone. And the swelling was totally going out of my ankle. Tell anybody, if you're having any kind of health problem.
I was going to the doctor back in Fowler, but I didn't know what it was. And they finally discovered that I had arthritis in my spine. And at night, I didn't sleep in at all. Some nights I couldn't sleep in at all. It was so painful. It was so bad in my knees until I went upstairs one day, and when I got to the bottom steps coming down, I fell. I could walk. I got so I could walk. I got so I could stand, and I'm doing great. I wouldn't take nothing for it.
5 to heal my arthritis. I used to walk 1 block. Now I can walk all over town. I said, oh my God. I went to the market the other day. I walked up on Chagrin, no pain, nothing. Like I said, this is everything for me now. I don't know about nobody else. I'm talking about me. So I can, talk about myself. I feel good. And another thing, I don't have no pain. I'm 8, I don't have no pain. Nowhere in my body. And so I tell anybody out there, doing fine. Looking good, feeling good. I'm 68 years old. And I feel like I'm 38.
It just went away. I haven't been back to the doctor no more. And I thank God for letting him know what to get to help us people. Because most of the time the doctors don't know everything. And they can't cure everything. And I do know this is a medicine and a herb from the Lord. He blessed it for us. And I tell anybody that's got a problem, they better get some of that medicine. They done tried everything, now try God and what he's doing.
Okay.
Because that medicine is from the Lord. And I know